In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Slack channel. Before you do this, it's important to understand what deleting a channel actually means. When you remove a Slack channel, you are permanently deleting that conversation space, including its messages and files. This action cannot be undone, so make sure your team no longer needs anything inside that channel before you continue. Also, keep in mind that only a workspace owner or workspace admin can delete a channel. If you're a regular member, you won't see this option and you'll only be able to leave the channel instead. To get started, open Slack on your desktop app or sign in through a desktop web browser. Once you're inside your workspace, go to the left sidebar and find the specific public or private channel you want to delete. Click into that channel so you're viewing the conversation directly. It's a good idea to double check the channel name at this stage so you don't accidentally remove the wrong one. Next, move your cursor to the top area of the channel. Click on the channel name, the one displayed beside the hashtag symbol for public channels or the lock icon for private channels. This will open a pop-up window with details and options for that channel. At the top of that pop-up, you'll see a row of tabs. Click on the Settings tab. After that, scroll down through the available options until you reach the section where channel management actions are listed. This is where Slack places the more advanced options, including channel deletion. Now look for the red option that says delete this channel and click it. Slack will then show you a confirmation prompt because this is a permanent action. In that confirmation box, check the box that says yes, permanently delete this channel and its files. This step is there to make sure you fully understand that the content cannot be recovered later. Once that box is checked, click the red delete channel button to confirm. Slack will immediately process the request and remove the channel from the workspace. Like in most cases, your view will switch back to the main general channel automatically, which is a simple way to confirm that the deleted channel is no longer active. And that's it. That's how to delete a Slack channel safely and correctly. Just remember to review the contents first. Confirm you have the right permissions and be absolutely certain before clicking the final delete button. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.